Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're going to look at Fresh Out the Slammer by Taylor Swift. We'll first take a look at the chords needed for this song. Then we'll go into the patterns, the progressions that those chords go into to get us through the song. And lastly, we'll look at a full tutorial that gets us all the way through it. Those moments are below in the description and key moments. Let's get to it. The first chord we start out with is an A major, A, C sharp, E. And at times it'll be an A major 7, so they want the 7th note above that A, which is the G sharp in this key of A. So A, C sharp, E, G sharp for A major 7. And a lot of times it's just a regular A chord, A, C sharp, E. Excellent. We will then see a F sharp minor, quite often, F sharp, A, C sharp. It's a black, white, black key. F sharp, A, C sharp. In the beginning, we see a C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G sharp, C sharp, E, G sharp, C sharp minor over D. So the root is going to be D with that C sharp minor chord. After that intro, that chord and the progression just changes to a D major a lot with that D root, obviously D, F sharp, A, D major, D, F sharp, A. See quite a bit of that. Right next door, we'll see E major, E, G sharp, B, E major, E, G sharp, B, often with a D root again, with that slash D, means a D in the root, with that E major chord. Some tension. In the intro, we start out with an A major 7. We go to an F sharp minor, and then to that C sharp minor over D. For 2 measures of that last chord, we do it again. A major 7, F sharp minor, C sharp minor over D. In the verses, we start out on an A major. We go to that F sharp minor, then a D major, then that E over D. Again, it's A major for the verse, F sharp minor, then D. Sometimes E over D. Sometimes not on that last chord. Let's go through this song as a whole. Ready? Fresh out the slammer. Here's our beat. Start on A major 7. 1, 2, ready, pulse. A major 7. F sharp minor. C sharp minor. For 2 measures. Now, pretty baby, I'm running home to you. 2 and 3 and 4, repeat. A major 7, F sharp minor, C sharp minor over D, E over D, and A major, F sharp minor, D major, E over D, A major, F sharp minor, D. Keep it D, ready, it's an A. Handcuffed to the spell I was under D. A. And that's fresh out the slammer. Keep practicing with me. Practice makes better. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.